I want to be nervous. I want to be afraid because the moment I'm afraid, I level up my game. I have to do something different to prepare so that that fear will be eliminated and then I be all confident. And I think it's just normal, Mayowa. Like for me, like an expert, 5'3" in height. So blessed that during this journey, I was surrounded with the very good people. And instead of exposing myself to different individual trying to tell you that you cannot do it, I focus more on the few people who can tell me that you can do it. You cannot be successful alone. And alone doesn't mean that you have to be with your co-nationality. After all, we are here in UAE. And that's the beauty of this place. Diversity, different culture. And it's just surprised me because when I was in your community, I was more recognized in terms of my skills and talent. In fact, this is true facts. Our majority of our client base when we're starting are coming from the African community. I finished 17 years old during college, so I start selling at the age of 5 years old. That was grade 1 or grade 2?
5 years old.
Yeah, 5 years old.
But your grandfather was wealthy.
I can say enough wealthy.
Yeah. I mean, wealthy is wealthy.
Yeah. So whenever you have extra from the business, mini business that you're selling, put it here. Once you finish your grade, for example, grade 2, grade 3, if you finish third, I will double it.
Oh, wow.
If you finish second, I will quadruple it. So that's how he motivate me. So it's like a combination of I have to sell more so that I can do it. At the same time, you have to finish your study very well so that you're assuming that this will be 4 times the money that you will get. So that's how he motivate me.